In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a callout box in the Gamma app step by step. Callout boxes are a great way to highlight important points, make your content easier to scan, and give your presentation a more polished look. If you create lessons, pitch decks, project updates, or any kind of visual content in Gamma, this is one of those simple features that can make a big difference. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. All right, let's get started. First, open your Gamma project. This can be any existing card, page, or presentation you want to edit. Once you're inside the project, look through your content and find the exact card where you want the callout box to appear. If you want the callout to stand out, choose a section where the message is especially important, like a key tip, warning, reminder, or takeaway. Next, click on the card itself. This is important because Gamma usually gives you editing options based on what you have selected. When the card is active, you should see controls appear that let you insert new content or modify the layout. If you don't see the options right away, just click once inside the card area so Gamma knows where you want to work. Now click the plus button or open the insert menu. In Gamma, this is usually where you can add different types of content blocks. The plus icon is often the fastest way to bring up block options, so keep an eye out for it near the content area or toolbar. If Gamma shows an insert menu instead, that works the same way. The goal here is to open the list of elements you can add to the page. From the available options, choose a callout, highlight, or note style block if Gamma has one available in your version. Depending on the layout and the version of the app you're using, the label may be slightly different, but you're looking for a block that is designed to emphasize information visually. A callout box usually has a distinct background, border, or styling that makes it stand out from the rest of the content. Once the callout box appears, click inside it and type your important message. This could be something like a key announcement, an action item, a warning, a helpful tip, or a summary point. Keep the text clear and direct so the callout does its job well. The whole purpose of this box is to draw attention, so the message should be easy to understand at a glance. After that, take a moment to adjust the style or placement if needed. You may want to move the callout higher on the card, resize it, or switch the styling so it matches the rest of your Gamma design. If Gamma gives you formatting controls, use them to make the box more readable and visually balanced. A well-placed callout can make your card look much more professional and organized. If you want to make the callout even more effective, try using short sentences, bold wording, or a single key takeaway inside the box. That way, the reader immediately understands why the information matters. You can also use callouts throughout your Gamma project to separate sections, emphasize important steps, or guide your audience through the content. And that's it. You've now added a callout box in Gamma app. It's a simple process, but it can really improve how your information looks and how easy it is to follow. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Gamma and software tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.